There are many journeys in life. Some people travel for success, some for adventure. But Hajj is different. It is a journey to Allah. Every year, millions of Muslims travel to Mecca to perform one of the greatest acts of worship in Islam. Rich and poor, young and old, all dressed in simple white garments, standing equal before their Creator. Hajj teaches humility. When pilgrims enter Ihram, they leave behind status, fashion, and worldly identity. Everyone looks the same, reminding humanity that in the end, all people return to Allah equally. Then comes the moment many dream about their entire lives, seeing the Kaaba for the first time. For many pilgrims, tears begin to fall instantly. A lifetime of prayers suddenly becomes real. Pilgrims perform Tawaf, circling the Kaaba together while saying, Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Here I am, O Allah, here I am. These words are a declaration of faith, obedience, and surrender to Allah. Hajj also remembers the struggle of Hajar, the wife of Prophet Ibrahim, as she searched desperately for water in the desert for her son Ismail. Her trust in Allah led to the miracle of Zamzam water, which millions still drink today. One of the most emotional moments of Hajj is the day of Arafah. Millions stand together praying, crying, and asking Allah for forgiveness. It is a powerful reminder of the day of judgment, when humanity will stand before Allah. Pilgrims also perform the symbolic stoning of the pillars, remembering how Ibrahim rejected the whispers of Shaitan and obeyed Allah completely. Hajj teaches sacrifice, patience, unity, and faith. It reminds people that this world is temporary and that true success is not wealth or power, but closeness to Allah. For many people, Hajj becomes a life-changing journey. People return home with softer hearts, stronger faith, and a deeper understanding of what truly matters. Because Hajj is not just a journey across the world. It is a journey back to Allah.